What up, world? We're gonna take a little stroll around the neighborhood of Santa Teresa in Rio de Janeiro, just taking a look at the different murals, graffiti, and just the landscape itself. So I'm not gonna do too much talking in this video. I'm gonna let you take a look at it for yourself. Now we took a little shortcut through Lapa. It's like a little back alleyway, but there's different entrances into the neighborhood. That's why you see the cop car there. It's not like it's really a dangerous neighborhood or something, but just the fact that it's a little alleyway and you have some drunks and stuff that hang out at the bottom, you don't want them to catch you alone, try to hit you upside the head with a bottle or something. So, and just don't go at night. You'll be alright. I would love to know the meaning of a lot of this stuff that they be painting up there. And you got these Celeron steps right up that hill and around the corner. They pretty famous. I'm sure y'all heard of those before. And here we have the old railroad tracks for the Santa Teresa tram. And I'm saying old like it's not there anymore. At the time of filming it was closed, but I'm pretty sure it's in commission now, so you just gotta check online first. Downtown Rio de Janeiro. I wish we could have went inside that mansion. I'm sure they got some beautiful views and nice architecture inside. I don't know what a lot of this stuff is. It just looked dope. And the neighborhood itself is pretty quiet most of the time. At least when I was there, it's like you see cars go by once in a while, but it was mostly me and my tour guide Manny, shout outs to Manny, just walking around. It was pretty peaceful. Of course you got a stray dog everywhere. What's up, Grandma? We decided to jump in the taxi. We wasn't gonna walk the whole neighborhood. As you can see, we going uphill, so legs started to get a little tired.
Llega, ahí deseo.
And every time I seen what to me looks like a basketball court, it was actually a soccer court, or football as they call it in South America. They even have murals on the poles. Oh, damn.
Cool, eh?
Glad I'm going downhill instead of up, because there'd be no way that I would go up these stairs. I'm not physically fit for that.
Well, you know, once I live in the favela and I took these stairs every day, many times. These long stairs, you know? Over 400 steps.
That's crazy.
Every day, maybe sometimes 3-4 times, you know? Like a 4 up, 4 down, like a 800, 8, 6.
You probably had some.
3,000 steps, you know?
You probably had some super strong legs after that.
Yeah, I don't usually. I was in really good shape.
You
All
playing,
my body.
You playing soccer or football and kick the ball way out the stadium.
Yeah.
Boom! Like you busted the ball.
Well,